Hello, this is Erin, and I'm going over Enhancement 3 for CIT 336. This week we created both login and registration views for our website, and then created a controller for the accounts. So let's run the home page, and here's the home page, and click on my account. So here's the login page. So that works appropriately, going from the login page. And then if you don't have a login, register now. It has the extra fields that are required. And then if we click on my account, it takes us back to login page, and my account on login all works appropriately. So now let's make sure that the pages are working as they should. So check that. That one is good. Let's go to the registration page. And put that in there. And that one is working appropriately. And let's double check the CSS. Make sure that one is good. Go back to, here's the CSS one. And that one is working too. So I think those are all the requirements and assignments for the week. And thanks for watching.